Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer here, Eastern North Carolina. I want to do a video walkthrough on the Sea Ray 310 Outboard. It's a year model 2018, roughly 140 hours of use. It's got twin Mercury 350 horsepower engines. Boat is normally kept inside that dry stack building there. Boat does have bottom paint on it, as the owner keeps it in a wet slip from time to time, but the majority of the time it does stay inside under cover. Boat has the optional aft sunshade. That's electric, so you push a button and it slides out. Hard top, optional canvas. It's in good shape. Nice blue hull color. See the different color blue bottom paint there on the bottom. I guess that's more of a royal blue than the navy blue hull side. Up here on the bow, you got stainless anchor with anchor windlass, remote spotlight, and as well as docking lights. Does have a cover that goes over this bow seating area, as well as the sunshade that can be deployed from either side. Does have a bow filler cushion that could go in there and turn that area into a sunpad, as well as a bow table that if you're up there and entertaining, you've got the option for a table or sunpad. Let's walk through and take a look at the inside of the boat now. Nice American flag with stainless base. Walking on board, you've got sea deck. Feels great on the feet. Boat's equipped with a flush system, so when you're done using the boat, you can hook the water hose up there and flush both motors. It's your battery switch there, storage in these compartments going up. There is a lot of storage on this boat. Brown woven vinyl flooring throughout, feels great on the feet. I love this. The cushion package that is on this boat is the tan and brown. It is gorgeous and in great shape. I'll try to lift this canvas up, but I did take some photos with the canvas off of those cushions. They are all in great shape. This table, take a look at the photos. This chair has a bolster on it, but it does rotate around, so if everybody's hanging out in the cockpit, grilling or just entertaining in the cockpit, that does make a convenient seat. There's a carry-on cooler in the compartment there that you see the fastener latch for, and then index storage here. Nice grill, refrigerator, wet bar area. That step is used if you're getting on and off the boat from a dock that's not floating and you want to step down onto the gunnel, step down onto that step and then into the boat. All these seat cushions lift up, and there's storage underneath for life jackets, dock lines, just your general kind of boating stuff. Check out the two-tone woven, all in good shape. Upgraded sound system on this boat, so that gets you additional speakers, additional amp in the sub. In the head, you've got this upgraded solid surface top, and just the fabrics in the head, and then sea deck down below. Vacuum flush head system. It does have the macerator option, so if you're offshore past 3 miles, you can pump the head overboard through that macerator system. Let's talk about the helm. Boat is equipped with the joystick, which was an option. I couldn't imagine in this boat without it. But on that joystick, you've got skyhook, which if you're pulling up to the marina or waiting on a bridge, you push the button and it's going to hold you there. You also have autopilot through there, which you can set up to either hold you on a heading or set it up to track waypoints. Digital throttle and shift, engine syncs on there, one lever. Does have a dock mode. Really the top of the line, the best equipment for running this boat with the 350s, and then joystick and autopilot. It's a really nice equipped boat. Down below, you got a VHF radio, antennas up on the hardtop, and remote spotlight controls. We talked about that up at the bow, but there's your controls for that. And then your accessory switches here, as well as 2 Simrad displays that give you everything from depth sounder, chart plotter, to your switching on the boat. I'm sitting up on the bolster. Both these, the companion seat and the helm seat, are double wide. So you could sit 4 here, and they have the flip up bolsters, which absolutely love. In the summertime, I'm sitting up getting fresh air. If it's cool, I'm gonna flip it down and stay below the windshield. Scrolling around, show you this canvas. Got some, no rips, tears, scratches. It's in great shape, but I do note some of these zippers have a little bit of corrosion on them. Very few things to point out on the negative on this boat. Has been really well cared for. Does have the hard top opening that you could slide open to get fresh air. What I really like this this option is at night. You slide that thing, slide it open and take a look at the stars and moon, and then everything in the boat has a blue LED package, underwater lights. This boat is fun at night. That blue LED package, blue hull color, blue canvas. It's a gorgeous, it's a really sharp looking boat as well. Let me show you this as well. Open this up. You've got a breaker panel here because this boat is equipped with the shore power setup. So you can plug your cord in. It's got an onboard battery charger, inverter for the grill, and all your controls are here up top for the 120 side. And your main DC, your battery operated stuff is here. And then you've got your water level controls there. So sliding up to the bow. Got good seating here. Flip down armrest. There's storage underneath both of these. Table bases are kept underneath here. No rips or tears or stains or anything like that. It's in really good shape. Shower spigot here. There's also one back at the transom. There's that stainless steel anchor again. And you have the same vinyl, woven vinyl sea decking throughout. This does lift up, and there's storage underneath this console. That's where he keeps the bow cushions, the bow filler boards, that kind of stuff underneath that console. Guys, thank y'all for taking the time to watch this video. I think I've about covered it. I'll mention a couple things to note here. This aft hatch is electric. It does lift up with the push of a button, which is over here. So you push that. It's got a large teak inlay table that's stored underneath there. And then the biggest thing that I love on this boat is, the market shifted towards outboards, 700 horsepower. This boat's a great performer when you get underway, and then obviously with the joystick, it makes you look really good around the dock as well. If you're looking for a 310, you'll be hard pressed to find one that's this clean in this price range. So if you have any questions, give us a shout. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Thanks.